Hi guys, DigitalOcean has established itself as a prominent player in the cloud hosting market, particularly appealing to developer and small to medium-sized businesses. Its offerings are designed to provide a straightforward and efficient way to host website and application. Here's comprehensive look at what DigitalOcean brings to the table for web hosting user-friendly interface. One of the standout features of DigitalOcean is its intuitive user interface. The platform is designed to simplify the process of deploying and managing web application. User can easily create and manage droplet virtual machine with just a few clicking, making it accessible even for those who may not have extensive technical expertise. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for developers looking to quickly launch projects without getting bogged down in complex configuration, performance, scalability. DigitalOcean infrastructure is built on high performance SSD based storage, which significantly enhance the speed and reliability of web application. The platform offers scalability solution allowing users to start with small droplet and easily upgrade to large instance as their need grow. This flexibility is crucial for businesses that anticipate fluctuating traffic level, ensuring they can scale resources up or down without hustle. Cost effectiveness. DigitalOcean is now for its competitive pricing structure, which appealing to startup and small businesses. The pay as you go model allow user to only pay for the resources they consumer, making it a budget friendly option for web hosting. User can choose from various droplet configuration to match their specific needs, ensuring they get the best value for their investment. Community and support. The DigitalOcean community is robust and active, providing a wealth of resources for users. The platform offers extensive documentation, tutorial, and community forums where users can seek help and share knowledge. The community-driven support is invaluable, specifically for those new to web hosting or looking to troubleshoot specific issue. However, some users have reported that while the community is helpful, direct customer support can sometimes be slow to respond. Deployment option. DigitalOcean supports a variety of deployment options, making it a versatile for different type of web application. User can deploy application using pre-configuration image for popular framework like Django, Node.js, and WordPress, which streamline the setup process. Additionally, the platform offer Kubernetes support for those looking to manage containerized application, further enhancing its appeal to developers. Security feature. Security is a critical consideration for any web hosting services, and DigitalOcean provides several features to help protect user data. User can implement firewall enable two-factor authenticator and utilize private networking to enhance security. These features are essential for business that handle sensitive information and need to ensure compliance with data protection regulation.